Every masterpiece begins with extraordinary materials. Precision starts with carefully selected premium materials. Micron-level accuracy defines true luxury. Every measurement guarantees flawless craftsmanship. Mirror finishes demand patience and precision. Luxury shines through microscopic metal layers. Perfect finishes require controlled curing conditions. Elegant design emerges through precision machining. Every signature begins with perfect precision. Luxury writing starts with a flawless nib. Every curve influences effortless handwriting. Mirror polishing enhances beauty and performance. Microscopic details define exceptional writing. Precision assembly creates perfect harmony. Individual parts become timeless instruments. Every stroke proves uncompromising perfection. Only perfection earns the final approval. Immaculate finishes deserve immaculate care. Luxury deserves an unforgettable presentation. Every package reflects the brand's precision. Automation protects every masterpiece.
Ready to reach writers worldwide.
Craftsmanship begins its worldwide journey. Engineering precision, crafted into timeless elegance.